This Century 21 The Real Estate Center property video is presented by Tyler Lyons. Come see this beautiful rancher that features 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, living room, family room, dining room, kitchen, laundry room, wood stove, large deck, and a fully finished basement with 2 bonus rooms that could be converted into bedrooms. Many updates throughout the entire home. Call agent for showings. All contracts must be contingent on the seller finding a home of their choice. For more information, review the details below.